unfortunately, I still don't have any bike content for you. My bike is still down in North Carolina at my brother's house. It's safe. I know. It sucks, though. But there's good news. There's good news. In 39 more days, we will be reunited again with the CB300. And I can't wait. But in the meantime, Memorial Day is coming up in a few days. Today's Thursday. It's Monday. Today's Thursday the 26th. Yep, today's Thursday the 26th. Memorial Day is Monday, May 30th. So, I got to mount my flag in the back of my truck. But first, I got to go to work. So, tag along for the ride, and we're going to go to work, do a couple alignments, probably hit Lowe's, get the hardware I need, get the flag mounted in the bed of the truck, and then that'll be that. I'll be a happy camper. Flag will be mounted. Memorial Day. Nice. Nice. Alright boys, serious question here. When mounting my flag, that square right there is center of the bed. Do I center it? Or do I mount it off to one of the sides so that way I don't have to get in the bed every time I want to take it in and out? Where do I mount it?